Want to take your outdoor space to the next level? These Amazon gadgets are absolute game changers for patio, garden, and backyard living. Smart, stylish, and built for fun or relaxation. Whether you're entertaining, relaxing, or adventuring, these picks have you covered. All the links are in the description below. You can enjoy real espresso anywhere. No batteries, no plugs. Just add coffee, pour in hot water, pump, and you get a rich, creamy shot in seconds. It works with both capsules and ground beans, brewing up to 50 milliliters from its compact tank. With high pressure for full flavor and a design the size of a water bottle, it's easy to carry and even easier to clean. Perfect for coffee lovers on the go. Waves, bumps, or sudden stops, your drink isn't going anywhere. This clever cup holder uses a micro suction base that locks onto smooth surfaces without glue or drilling. It grips tight so your cup, can, or bottle stays upright, even on boats or kayaks. The fit adjusts automatically for most drink sizes, and it's super easy to clean. Whether outdoors or at your desk, spills are finally off the menu. Nothing ruins a good meal faster than flies buzzing around your food. That's where these clever fly fans come in. The blades spin with a holographic shimmer that keeps pests away without chemicals or sprays. They're soft and safe, stopping instantly if touched, so kids and pets stay protected. Lightweight and battery-powered, you can set them on a table or hang them up for worry-free picnics, parties, or backyard BBQs. Say goodbye to cold feet and desk fatigue. This heated footrest keeps you cozy while improving posture and circulation. 2 heat levels warm your feet in minutes, while built-in vibration massage melts away tension during long work sessions. The adjustable height and memory foam top make it super comfortable, and the non-slip base keeps it steady. Perfect for work, gaming, or relaxing at home comfort, just leveled up. No more cold coffee halfway through your morning routine. This heated mug set keeps every sip perfectly warm, down to the exact degree you like. The dual Mugzone Gray, one pink make it perfect for couples who love sharing cozy moments. With precise temperature control and auto shutoff, it's smart, safe, and stylish. Whether it's coffee, tea, or cocoa, your drink stays just right every single time. Camping just got a futuristic makeover. This transparent dome house gives you a 360 degrees view of the sky while keeping you safe from rain, wind, and bugs. Made from tough waterproof polycarbonate, it feels like sleeping outdoors without actually roughing it. You can stargaze, read, or just lounge in complete comfort. It's your own little bubble of luxury, perfect for backyards, camping trips, or cozy retreats. Turn any night into a fondue party. This electric fondue set melts cheese, chocolate, or caramel to perfection, making it perfect for movie nights, date nights, or family fun. It comes with 4 dipping forks and a 3-section tray for all your favorite snacks. The nonstick pot is easy to clean, and the simple temperature dial keeps everything smooth and creamy. Sweet, savory, or both your choice. Lighting doesn't have to be boring. This smart floor lamp transforms your space with millions of colors, warm or cool whites, and even dynamic effects that move with music. You can set the mood with voice commands or customize everything from an app. Whether you're reading, relaxing, or throwing a party, it adapts instantly. Sleek, modern, and easy to set up, it's the upgrade your living room's been waiting for. Say goodbye to waving your hands at flies during dinner. These clever bug fans keep insects away using spinning holographic blades that bend. Light bugs simply won't come near. The soft blades stop instantly on touch, so they're safe around kids and pets. Just switch them on and enjoy a bug-free zone indoors or out. Lightweight and battery-powered, you can take them anywhere for instant peace. Imagine turning your ceiling into a statement piece that changes with your mood. This smart ceiling light doesn't just brighten your space, it creates an atmosphere. With vibrant RGB effects, dimmable white light, and a sleek modern design, you can go from cozy warm tones to bold party colors in seconds. Best part? It works with Alexa, Google, and Matter for hands-free control. Ever wished your backyard could be usable year-round? This clear garden dome turns any small space into a cozy, all-weather hideaway. It's made from durable, UV-protected panels that handle wind, rain, and even heavy snow while giving you a crystal-clear view of the outdoors. Use it as a lounge, dining nook, or yoga retreat. You can even run power inside for lights or heat. Your personal bubble of calm, right in your garden. Why sit on the ground when you can relax in comfort anywhere? This ultralight camping chair weighs just over 2 pounds, yet sets up in seconds with a snap-together frame. The breathable fabric keeps you cool, while reinforced stitching gives it lasting strength. Special anti-sink feet stop it from sliding into sand or soft ground. It packs down small enough for your backpack, making it the perfect travel companion. Cooking outdoors doesn't have to be chaotic. This folding camping table gives you a sturdy surface, plus 3 tiers of storage to keep everything neat. Side pockets hold utensils and tools, while the zippered middle compartment keeps food safe from bugs. It sets up in seconds, then folds into a slim case with a handle when you're done. Lightweight yet strong, it's like bringing a mini kitchen to the campsite. Who says great grilling needs fire and smoke? This portable electric grill gives you the sear and flavor you love without flare-ups or messy cleanup. The stainless steel body makes it tough enough for outdoor cooking, but sleek enough for your kitchen counter. Its non-stick grate lifts off easily and goes straight into the dishwasher. Just plug it in, twist the knob, and you're ready to cook indoors or out. One charger to rule them all. This 7-in-1 station powers up your phone, watch, earbuds, and more, all at once. No more messy cables, just one sleek hub that keeps everything charged and ready. The built-in clock syncs automatically with your phone, even showing the day and room temperature. A soft nightlight with touch controls makes it perfect for your bedside. Safe, smart, and seriously convenient. Movie night just got an upgrade. This compact cylinder projector brings vivid, high-definition images up to 100 inches wide. The built-in speaker fills the room with clear sound, no cables or extra setup required. Stream directly from your favorite apps for instant entertainment. Small, sleek, and portable, it turns any blank wall into a personal cinema. Turn any hangout into an instant celebration. This clever outdoor table hides a spacious ice cooler beneath its lift-up top, keeping drinks chilled and within reach. It holds plenty of cans and bottles, staying cold for hours without melting the mood. The weather-resistant finish handles sun, rain, and everything in between. Portable, practical, and made for good times. It's the ultimate outdoor party essential. Cold garage? Not anymore. This portable electric heater blasts out instant warmth, quickly turning chilly spaces into cozy work zones. You can adjust the temperature, tilt the head, and move it anywhere thanks to its easy carry handle. The tough outer shell is built to handle rough conditions, while safety features like auto shutoff keep things worry-free. Just plug it in, and the heat starts rolling. Light up your nights the smart way. These solar deck lights charge during the day and glow automatically at dusk, giving your steps, fences, or pathways a warm, welcoming shine. No wiring, no switches, just pure convenience. They're built tough with waterproof ABS housing, so rain or snow won't stop them. Safe, stylish, and simple. Your outdoor space just got a cozy upgrade. Turn your backyard into the perfect hangout spot with this pop-up canopy. It sets up in seconds, no tools, no hassle, and the sturdy steel frame locks securely in place. The mesh walls keep bugs out while letting in a refreshing breeze. Its weather-resistant fabric blocks harmful UV rays, so you can relax in cool shade all day. When you're done, it folds neatly into a wheeled bag for easy storage and travel. This isn't your average flying Decidus, a light show in motion. With 36 bright LEDs and over 16 million colors, it lights up every throw like a mini firework. Smart sensors turn it on when you toss and off when you catch, saving power for endless games. It's waterproof, rechargeable, and perfectly balanced for long, smooth flights. Perfect for nighttime fun, parties, or camping adventures. Think of it as a garage, gazebo, and luxury shield all in one. This innovative covering system unfolds into a futuristic shelter for cars, motorcycles, campers, or even boats. The special panels protect against sun, hail, ice, and all those outdoor nuisances that can damage your ride or space. You can even use it as a pool cover, veranda, or outdoor lounge. Stylish, customizable, and practical, it's protection reimagined. Your pool party's just got an upgrade. This floating speaker brings booming 360-degree sound and colorful light shows right to the water. It's completely waterproof, so you can toss it in the pool, hot tub, or even take it to the beach without worry. Sync two together for true stereo sound and let the lights pulse with the beat. 6 hours of non-stop music, pure summer vibes, anywhere you float. Your backyard gatherings just got a serious upgrade. This fire pit surround turns your wood-burning pit into a cozy, functional centerpiece. The 360-degree barrier keeps kids, pets, and hands safely away from the flames, while the flat top gives you extra space for snacks and drinks. Built with powder-coated steel and UV-resistant fabric, it's tough enough for any weather. Warm nights just got even better. Nights outdoors just got a serious upgrade. This 7-in-1 camping lantern isn't just a light, it's a fan, a Bluetooth speaker, an air pump, and even a power bank to charge your phone. You get both a wide floodlight to brighten your campsite and a focused spotlight for detail work. The rechargeable battery keeps it going for hours, and it's built tough enough to handle splashes. Peeling veggies doesn't have to be a chore. This electric peeler does the work for you at the push of a button. Just place a potato, apple, or zucchini on the holder and watch the blade glide down smoothly. No slipping, no effort, just perfectly peeled produce in seconds. With extra blades stored inside and a sturdy non-slip base, it's a kitchen helper you'll actually use every day. Ever wanted your couch to look like it just rolled off the racetrack? This sculptural sofa takes real car parts and transforms them into a bold piece of furniture. It blends the thrill of automotive design with the comfort of a lounge chair. Sit down and it feels like sinking into a performance machine, only softer. It's part artwork, part seating, and guaranteed to start conversations. Turn any room into a cosmic adventure. This astronaut galaxy projector fills your ceiling with stars and colorful nebula effects, creating a dreamy atmosphere for kids or adults. The adjustable head and rotating arm let you aim the projection just how you like it. Control brightness, speed, and modes with the remote, or set the timer for automatic shutoff. perfect for bedrooms, parties, or just stargazing from your couch. Show off your products from every angle without lifting a finger. This motorized display stand spins a full 360 degrees, giving smooth, consistent rotation for photos, videos, or live shows. Use the remote to control speed, direction, and rotation modes, perfect for 3D shots or exhibitions. It holds heavy items up to 350 pounds, and the compact size makes it easy to move and set up anywhere. The quickest way to relax after a long day is right under your feet. This wooden foot massager uses acupressure rollers and reflexology nubs to melt away tension and boost circulation. Its contoured design follows the natural shape of your feet for a deeply soothing massage every time. Compact, sturdy, and whisper quiet, it's easy to use anywhere, at home, at work, or even while traveling. Simple, effective, and made to keep you feeling refreshed. This is the centerpiece your outdoor space has been missing. This multifunctional fire pit table combines warmth, style, and practicality for comfort all year long. Its sturdy metal frame handles high heat with ease, while built-in air vents keep the flame bright and smoke-free. A spark guard and poker make operations safe and effortless every time. Perfect for backyard dinners, quiet evenings, or lively get-togethers under the stars. Keep your property protected day and night with this smart solar driveway alarm. The motion sensors detect heat and movement from cars, people, or animals up to half a mile away. Each unit runs on solar power, so there's no wiring or battery swapping needed. Choose between sound, light, or both for alerts. Weatherproof and reliable, it's your first line of defense for driveways, gates, and yards. Why settle for a pool float when you can have your own floating island? This massive inflatable seats up to 6 people, making it the ultimate hangout on the water. A detachable sunshade keeps you cool, while a built-in cooler bag keeps drinks within reach. The sturdy vinyl design holds strong, and multiple air chambers keep it stable. Perfect for parties, lazy afternoons, or turning the lake into your private lounge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.